Hello everybody, how are you? Welcome to Moshu Spoken English. From the very beginning of my speech, thank our Moshu Raman sir for giving me this platform to say something by all of the YouTube community about programming and cybersecurity. So I am none other than Pranto Roy. I am in class 10 in Birgos Pilot Government High School. I am from Birgos Senior School. Actually, I am not a professional cybersecurity expert or programmer. But beside my study, I am learning programming and cybersecurity. So I have enough knowledge about this. So now I will understood you how can you keep high security in your account and how can a hacker perform his hacking attack. So there are many types of hacking attack is performed like phishing attack, brute force attack, man in the middle attack, malware attack, social engineering, zero-day attack, etc. So let's remember one thing that any kind of hacking attack is performed indirectly. Directly hacking is not possible as a hacker of Bangladesh. Hacking is the result of your mistake. If you will be very careful, you avoid hacking. Now I am saying broadly. First of all, I will tell that phishing attack is performed by link sharing. If any unknown person or your friend sent you a link and tell you to log in this link, you should avoid this. Otherwise, your account will hack unfortunately. It's called phishing attack. Then I am telling brute force attack. Most of the people use very easy and common password. It is very harmful for your account because hacker or attacker can hack your account very easily by guessing your password. So you should make a strong or unique password for creating any kind of account. It's called brute force attack. Then I am explaining about man in the middle attack. Man in the middle attack is very interesting and I like it so much. So our question, what is man in the middle attack? So man in the middle attack is happened by entering your Wi-Fi network. Most of the people share his Wi-Fi password with others. But if your password get any hacker or attacker, he can control your Wi-Fi network, your PC, smartphone very easily and can access your network and personal information, data, password, etc. So you shouldn't share your Wi-Fi password with others. It's called man in the middle attack. Now, on the other hand, social engineering, malware attack, zero-day attack, cooking attack. I will explain this in another video. So hacking is a crime. You shouldn't hack illegally. Otherwise, you will be arrested by Bangladesh Cybercrime Institute. You can hack legally. It's called white-hat hacker, ethical hacker, penetration tester. Now everybody will ask me, are you a professional hacker? No, I'm not a professional cybersecurity expert or programmer. But I will tell one thing that I am a student, I am a learner of programming and cybersecurity. So I will give you an opportunity who wants to be a professional cybersecurity expert or programmer. So if anyone wants to be a professional cybersecurity expert or programmer, please contact with me. I have given my email or Facebook account or contact number in description box. You can check this and can contact with me. I will give you free course, tutorial, tools, guideline, etc. So you can contact with me. So bye bye everybody. Be healthy and hearty. Subscribe our channel Moshu Spoken English and press the bell icon as soon as possible. Thank you very much for hearing my instruction.